Want to create stunning advertising videos for social media? Please watch the video then. Let's dive in. Hi everyone. Welcome back to WebServe Global, where we bring you easy and creative tips to level up your professional and personal skills. Today, I'll show you how to create a professional-looking ad in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, head over to canva.com. If you're new, sign up. It's completely free. Once logged in, select Facebook video or any other platform you're creating for. Canva offers thousands of pre-designed templates tailored to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and more. Browse through the templates and pick one that aligns perfectly with your brand or campaign. For this tutorial, I'm choosing this modern, colorful template that's ideal for promoting services or products. Now comes the fun part, customizing. Start by removing the existing images and text frames. Drag your elements one by one to the upper section for better visibility. Next, update the service menu to match your business or product offerings. Adjust and realign the text for a clean, professional look. Now we need some images and videos. If you don't have the perfect images or videos, visit freepik.com to download high-quality visuals that suit your business. Upload these to Canva by clicking the Uploads tab on the left. Once uploaded, drag an image to the design template and align it properly with the other elements. Let's add your contact information. Duplicate the Book Now tab by right-clicking, drag it lower, and enter your phone number. Customize the font color, size, and alignment for consistency. Now, head to the Elements panel to add a call or WhatsApp icon. Align everything neatly for a professional finish. Right-click on the circle, create a duplicate, and drag it slightly down. Same way, create duplicate text and drag it on circle. and align everything. This small tweak ensures a cohesive, polished design. Now it's time to set the animations. Select each section one by one and apply the desired animations from the toolbar above. Ensure everything looks seamless and visually appealing. With this, we have completed our first page. Right-click to create a duplicate page. Next, go to the new page, replace the image by dragging one from the library, and align it properly. Repeat the same process to create another couple of pages and replace the images from library and align them perfectly. Now, add a blank page at the beginning to serve as the cover page of your video. Upload an eye-catching image from the library . Adjust its orientation using the toolbar above and align it properly with the page. Also, add a blank page at the end of the video. Use the Elements panel to add a text box, enter a thank you message, and apply a suitable animation to make it visually appealing. Now, return to the first page and add a square shape, aligning it properly. Next, go to the Elements panel and add a text box to include attention-grabbing text. Ensure the text is placed correctly and aligned seamlessly with the cover image. Ensure that everything looks professional across all the pages, including the colors, shapes, sizes, and animations. If needed, add your location just below the contact number and align it perfectly for a polished look. Now, Add transitions between the pages for a smooth changeover from one page to another, and apply the same transition to all pages. Once everything is set, add music by uploading a file or selecting one from the library. Drag it into the timeline and position it perfectly. Now it's time to thoroughly check everything and give it a final touch. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click the share button and download your video. And that's it. You've just created an eye-catching advertising video in Canva, ready to wow your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on leveling up your content creation game. See you next time.